Hey guys, Sunday, July 22nd. We just hit 100. The midnight snack corn looks pretty good, and so does the African sorghum. The atomic orange in the back, not so good. But it is 100 in the shade. I'm just finishing up just finishing up the irrigation system. Now, I've backfilled the whole yard. I might have made a show where I showed you how much excavation went on, thousands of feet of it. So there are now frost frees throughout the yard, and I'm on the final 2. And here I'm installing this frost free. The pipe we're using is 1.5 inch black pipe. It's rated for over 160 psi, which is good for long lengths. I'm about 500 feet out here. And so there's a sleeve that goes in the cut. You want to make sure the cut is perpendicular and cleaned out. You notice I've cleaned the edges. And then there's a pressure fitting. Very expensive fittings. The fittings cost more than the pipe. Each frost free you put in, you need over $100 worth of fittings. And it gets even more expensive at a T. We're talking almost $200 worth of fittings, because just this piece is 68 bucks. So definitely learn how to put these on before you do it and you ruin it. Now I created this and all these. I have a little plumbing experience, so I know what I'm doing, because I've been through all phases of building. You know, during my academic career, I also worked as a builder. So I basically know all phases of construction because I know I was going to need it in the future. So this is going to go on the end of the frost free. I got my Teflon tape wrapped about 8 times at least, because I'm never going to dig this up again. And then I'll put the pressure fitting on. Now the key here is when you put a frost free in, there's a drain down here. So this allows you to install a place to get water in a remote area in the middle of winter, and do it during the day where the line won't freeze up, because it's accessing the water down at over 4 feet. That water needs to drain or the pipe will freeze. So what you need to install below here at the bottom in the hole is a gravel field. So where this frost free is going to go in my pit, I need to put a nice field of gravel and cobble so that the drain out is perfect. So that's what I'm working on today. I've got some wolfers here on the project helping out. They're cutting trails today, Gina and her mom. And there they are. We're going to make a video. We're going to take a hike a little bit later. So you'll probably join us on that adventure if you want too. I can't see anything, it's so bright out here.